Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Eli and today I'm going to do a short video introducing my new car. So a couple years ago I did a video in this car, driving it around, and then I ended up actually buying it within the last week. And so now it's my car, so I'm going to be doing lots of videos with it and kind of some upgrades, talking through specs, what makes it special, all that kind of stuff. So without any further ado, let me introduce you to the Roush. Quick look at the inside. See the Roush plating on everything. In another video I'll talk about, so this is a Roush Stage 1. I'll go through the difference between all the different Roush stages, what's included in this versus all the other ones. So you can see it's still the 4.6 V8 engine. It's just over 300 horsepower. The Roush cold air intake right here. All right, I'm gonna fire it up and let you listen to it. And here's what it sounds like from the inside. All right, the only other thing I'm gonna do today for this video is just do a quick video of me driving it so that you can kind of get a feel for what it's like inside. I love driving this car with the windows down because you can hear the exhaust. And especially when it gets above 3,000 RPM, it just sounds absolutely gorgeous. So, yep, let's take it for a quick drive. Well, that is all that I have for you guys today. If there's something that you want to see specific about this car or want to know or want to see me do, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'm very excited. This car's gonna be a lot of fun. So thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.